Actually, the workshop was awesome and it was very motivating.
I've learned about how to set up your goals.
Right now I know which way must I take.
Interesting. And the facilitator very, very good. Putting the point over very well. Excellent, thank you.
The workshop was very interesting. I have enjoyed the workshop.
The workshop was very good and interesting and educational. Where I've learned a lot that if in life you want to make something, stick to your dream and stick to your decision. One day you will make it. Be proud of what you have.
I have already bought 2 CDs that I'm going to watch it through so that I can really keep it in my mind every day, time and again.
Starting from today, I know what's my goal and I'm sure I'm going to achieve it.
And I want to buy a car, Golf 7, white, and I want to buy it before June.
Dream World actually it can really help someone to achieve his or her own goals. It was actually good, so motivating. Actually, if you are low, you are actually lifted up. You would feel actually you own this world. You would actually feel that you want to get more in life, and you will be there.
I'm hoping it's not for the last day we met. You must invite us next time when you come.
So it was very good. So I've gained something in my life.
The workshop is very nice. Now I'm happy about this one.
It has enlightened my dreams and goals and how I should strategize my dreams and goals. And so I'm very happy.
And we hope to see you guys again so that we can see how much we have achieved.
And a lot. Oh, my head. Wow.